Here is how to delete a conversion balance in Xero, step by step. Begin from your Xero account home screen. In the top menu, click Accounting, then choose Accounting Settings. This opens the area where core accounting options are managed, including the opening balances that were entered during setup or conversion from another system. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the settings screen is fully visible before moving on. From Accounting Settings, click Conversion Balances. This takes you to the section that lists the balances entered for accounts at the time of conversion. On this screen, you may only see part of the account list at first, so the next action is important if the account you need is not immediately visible. Click Show All Accounts. That expands the full list so you can review every account that currently has a conversion balance line available. Once all accounts are shown, scan through the list and locate the account that contains the conversion balance you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you are looking at the correct account before changing anything, especially if several account names are similar. When you have found the right account, look at the debit and credit fields on that line. To remove the conversion balance, delete the amount from the field where it appears or replace that amount with zero. Either approach removes the entered balance, but what matters is that the unwanted amount is no longer left in the account line. After clearing the amount, check the totals shown for your conversion balances. The total debits and total credits need to remain equal. If removing the amount causes those totals to fall out of balance, pause and review the entries on the page before saving. Xero expects the conversion balances to stay balanced overall, so this is the point where you confirm that the change has not created a mismatch. Once the totals are balanced, click Save. This records the updated conversion balance information for that account and applies the change to your conversion balance screen. If Xero refreshes or briefly processes the update, wait for that to finish so you can confirm the save completed. If you return to the account line after saving, the amount you removed should no longer appear in the debit or credit field. The account will remain in the list, but the conversion balance you cleared will be gone as long as the change was saved with balanced totals. Your selected conversion balance has now been removed in Xero.